Have you ever wondered why we don't see giant ants like in old sci-fi movies? The reason isn't a lack of imagination, but a fundamental law of geometry. It's called the square-cube law, and it explains why simply scaling things up often leads to disaster. Let's start with a simple idea. Imagine you have a small toy car and you want to build a real one that's 40 times longer. You might think it's 40 times bigger overall, but it's not that simple. Its surface area, the amount of paint you'd need, wouldn't be 40 times more. It would be 40 squared, or 1,600 times more. And its volume, and therefore its weight, would be 40 cubed, a staggering 64,000 times heavier. This is the square-cube law in action. As an object size increases, its surface area grows by the square of the scale factor, but its volume and weight grow by the cube. Now back to our giant ant. An animal's strength comes from the cross-sectional area of its muscles, which scales by the square. But its weight is determined by its volume, which scales by the cube. If you scaled an ant up to the size of a human, its weight would skyrocket much faster than its strength. Its legs, no matter how strong for their original size, would instantly snap under the impossible load. This is why an ant can lift 50 times its body weight, but an elephant can't jump. Engineers face the exact same problem. You can't just enlarge the blueprints for a small drone to make a giant cargo drone. A 10 times increase in size results in a 1,000 times increase in mass. The design must be completely rethought with stronger, lighter materials. From skyscrapers to spaceships, this simple geometric rule sets the ultimate limits on what we can build and what can live.